Some important polymers. Number 1, rubber. It is an elastomer. Example, balloons, tires, surgical gloves. Natural rubber. It is linear polymer of isoprene 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. Its IUPAC name. Its Cis-1,4 polyisoprene has long flexible chains and contain elastic properties. It has high molecular mass, about 130,000 to 340,000 unified. This is 2-methyl, first, second, 2-methyl 1, 3, 1 and 3 diene, that is alkene functional group, and it's the natural rubber. Natural rubber is formed by addition polymerization. Properties of natural rubber. It has cis configuration about carbon-carbon double bond. Polyisoprene molecule held by weak van der Waals forces, due to which it gets coiled. It shows elastic properties. Vulcanization process. The natural rubber is soft, sticky, having less tensile strength. To make natural rubber strong, tough and elastic, vulcanization process is done. This process is invented by Charles Goodyear. Process of cross-linking of polyisoprene chains to form network which increase the tensile strength, elasticity, toughness, etc. of natural rubber is called vulcanization. Vulcanization by sulfur called sulfur vulcanization. This is isoprene unit. Many monomers combine and form natural rubber. When natural rubber is heated at 150 degrees Celsius, then produce the sulfur vulcanized rubber. Here natural rubber is heated with sulfur and accelerator, that is zinc butyl xanthate, and here increasing the amount of sulfur, rubber get hardened. Sulfur quantity 40 to 45% form non-elastic hard material called ebonite. Second is polyethylene. IUPAC name of polyethylene is polyethylene. It is thermoplastic polymer of hydrocarbon having monomer ethene. This is the polyethylene, ethylene, N-time polyethylene. Polyethylene has two types, low density polyethylene and high density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene is obtained by polymerization of ethane in presence of trace amount, that is very small amount of oxygen or peroxide like H2O2, Na2O2 as an initiator under pressure of 1000 to 2000 atmosphere and temperature 350 to 570 Kelvin. This is the reaction. It proceeds by free radical mechanism. It is branched polymer, and branching occurs when hydrogen atom is abstracted from the middle of chain. Due to branching, chain are loosely held, hence it is low density polymers. High density polyethylene. High density polyethylene is obtained by polymerization of ethene in presence of catalyst Ziegler-Natta catalyst, that is triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride, under the pressure of 6 to 7 atmosphere and temperature of 333 Kelvin to 343 Kelvin. This is the reaction. It also proceeds by free radical mechanism. It is linear polymer, and linear chains forms when hydrogen atom is abstracted from the terminal of the chain. These linear chains are closely held, hence it is high density polymer. This is the mechanism where free radical attack on the middle of chain and abstract the hydrogen atom and form secondary free radical. This secondary free radical further attack on the new monomer of ethene and form branching in LDP. And then terminal radical attack on further new radical, then form linear polymer chain. Properties of LDP. It is flexible but tough. It is chemically inert and moisture resistant. It is poor conductor of electricity. It has low density and low melting point, about 110 degrees Celsius. Properties of HDP. It is not flexible, that is not rigid, not stiff. It is chemically more resistant than LDP. It has high tensile strength and hardness. It has high density and high melting point, about 144 to 150 degrees Celsius. Uses of LDP. It is used in preparation of pipes, used in insulation of electric cables, used in producing wrapper, that is extruded sheets for packaging. It is used to make household materials like bottles, containers, etc. Uses of HDP. HDP is used to manufacturing of pipes, toys, buckets, dustbins, bottles, etc. It is also used to prepare laboratory wares and other materials like drum.